Hello friends, welcome back to another training session with BestBull tutorial. In our previous video, we discussed the use case of net deals feature. Today, we will delve into the orders panel, an important tool for managing pending orders. To access the orders panel, locate the button position at the top and you will find the corresponding order window below it. Let's explore the process of placing and managing orders in more details. If you intend to buy or sell a specific script through a pending order, right-click on the desired script and select the pending order option. By default, the order amount is set to 0.1. After selecting pending order, you will see the price displayed as 26,000. Click on the place button to proceed. Once the order is placed, you will notice it disappearing in the orders panel below. The panel provides details such as the order ID, date, order type, and amount. This allows you to keep track of your pending orders easily. Suppose you wish to cancel an order. Simply locate the checkbox next to the order you want to cancel in the orders panel. Once you have selected the order, click on the cancel button and the order will be successfully cancelled. The orders panel empowers you to efficiently manage your pending orders, providing a seamless trading experience. That is it for today. We will meet in the next video with another new tutorial so that you can trade with BestBull with ease. Thank you for watching and we hope this tutorial has enhanced your understanding of the orders panel feature.